At the gym I go to, there is one of those cool water bottle filling stations. I happened to be there when they first installed it, and I was one of the first people to use it. Full on dork moment for me. I remember filling my bottle and seeing the screen light up. One bottle saved. Whoo, man. It felt small and almost silly, but it was kind of cool. But every time I fill my bottle back up there at the gym, the number goes up. One bottle at a time. One refill at a time. And recently I looked at it and realized the number was in like tens of thousands. Tens of thousands of little plastic bottles not used just because someone had refilled what they already had. That's when something clicked for me. The reason the number matters is because it's tracked. My dad and I talk about this a lot. We're the spreadsheet dork kind of people, kind of nerdy about it, and we own it. But we've learned something simple and powerful. When you track something, you're far more likely to stick with it. Tracking creates awareness, and awareness creates consistency. And consistency, it's what really creates the change. In my own life, I am much more likely to work out if I track it. And here's the funny part. I don't even track what workout I did. I don't track sets or reps or calories burned. I dumb it way, way down. All I track is this. Did I go to the gym? Yes or no? Once a week, I pull out my gym's website and I look at the days I checked in. And if I check in, it gets a count as a win. Even if all I did was check in, go to the sauna, sit for 15 minutes, take a shower, and walk back out. Because I know myself. If I count the small wins, I'm more likely to keep showing up. And if I keep showing up, there's a really good chance I'll do more than just go to the sauna. If I go in and intend to just sit in the sauna, I might wander upstairs, warm up, lift a little, move a little, and suddenly I've done an actual workout. But if I don't count the win at all, I probably won't go. The goal, you see, is not perfection. The goal is momentum. And this works for more than just fitness. It works for journaling, for quiet times, for making certain phone calls, for eating better, for habits you want once a week or once a month or once a quarter. You don't need a fancy app. You don't need a color-coded spreadsheet. You don't need to share it with anyone. You can use a notebook, a sticky note, and a sheet of paper in your car. Just write down the things you say that matter to you. And once a week, spend 5 minutes marking what you actually did. Yes or no. Here's what I found. Most of us think we're consistent until we see the truth in black and white. And when we hit a rut, tracking becomes a mirror we can't ignore. Not to shame us, but to help us. There's grace and mercy all the way around. Yeah, this isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about being honest with yourself. And just like that water bottle counter, the numbers add up faster than you expect. One small habit, one small choice, one refill at a time. So keep a tracker. Watch the patterns. Learn when you're strong and where you struggle. I think you'll be surprised at how much progress you make, even with something as incredibly simple as a tracker.